So we're going to start our bitter gourd recipe by slicing the onions. You want them thinly sliced, but not so thin that they completely dissolve when you cook them. Nice. One yellow onion. I'm going to turn the heat on and add a little bit of canola. I do use organic canola. It's hard to find, but worth looking for. So we're going to throw in our cumin seeds, black mustard seeds, curry leaves, give it a little stir, and we'll add in the onion. So you can see here that I'm not trying to completely cook down the onions. What I want is for them to just get a little bit of color before I throw in the bitter gourd. All right, so you can see I've a little bit dried. You can see I've dried out the bitter gourd a little bit in the air fryer before I put them into this. So we're just going to take these and dump them in. All right. This is when we're going to add our salt. So I'm just going to add in about 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to add in a little bit of red pepper. This is completely optional. You do not have to add red chili pepper. I love chili pepper, so I add it in everything. And then I'm going to throw in 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste. Tamarind paste counters the bitter from the bitter gourd. So just turn this on to low, and we're going to let this cook. Alrighty, it's been about 10 minutes. On low, I'm going to throw in the peanuts. It tastes really good, and we're going to serve this up with some delicious parathas, which are kind of the croissant of the flatbread world, layered with fat, and it just comes out yummy. And then we'll serve it also with a yellow lentil. So coming up soon